Hello fellow rebels, and welcome back to the channel. Just a video today to show you my new GoPro 9, and then I got accessories on Amazon for €32, including delivery as well. So let's have a look at them now, and yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so this is the GoPro 9. This is the box it came in. It's super handy. Now I took the plastic out of it already anyway, so yeah, it's not a review or whatever of it. I'm just showing you what I have. So it came with this charging lead, GoPro 9, and then I show you a few things on the GoPro 9. Like I said, it's not a review, but I'll show you the differences. So here you have the front screen. So you have to use the front screen in there, and the trick is to actually look in there instead of looking in this one, because you're looking away from the camera. So this could be modified as well. You can get a max zoom lens in there as well, which is handy. The biggest difference for me here is the battery. So pull the battery there, pull them up there. So it's the Enduro batteries. They're bigger and they're supposed to last longer as well. And that's the charging point. Excuse me. That's the charging point there. But the only thing, it doesn't have where you can put a mic or anything like that. I think you have to buy a new cover, and that has a mic in the front of it, but I don't know how good it is to use, and it's about €90, so we'll wait on that for a while. And then it came with this, just for your helmet. See the way it's kind of curved? See it there? Yeah. See it there? It's kind of curved. It comes with that. Come with this as well. And then it came with one of these. One of the screws anyway, yeah. So it just came with one of the screws to use for this. It's handy, and then all your leaflets and all that kind of stuff then as well. It shows you how to put it together. But with the GoPro, so it's off on the side there, and then there's the record button on this side. It's a bigger screen and heavier, and the battery, like I said, so that's the battery there. I'll pull it out and show you. So that's the size of the battery there. See, it's a bit thicker. And yeah, they've lasted good so far. I've used it, like, this is the third time I've used it. I use it for my bike run, and then my latest adventure today as well. So battery there. So actually, yeah, this came with a battery also. So it just comes with one battery, and the battery is, it actually came with this battery. So that was the one that came with it. And then I bought Enduro pack. So you get the Enduro pack, 2 of these in it. And they were €40 for the 2 pack in Harvey Norman as well. So you don't want to be left without batteries like the other one. So we got another 2. So I have 5 batteries in total. So I shouldn't be running out of battery anytime soon with those ones. Yeah, I was on the spin all day today, and I had to change the battery once. So I used 2 batteries for the whole trip, which is great and super handy. So this box is really handy as well, because I put both my GoPros, the GoPro 9 and the GoPro 7 in the box, which is super handy. And yeah, I just use it just to store all the stuff. But with the new box, the new accessory box, I'm going to start storing the batteries in there as well, because, and I'll show you with this. So this is the box with it, for €32. It's more or less the same box, look, as in this one. So there's not much of a difference, look, and the same, feels like the same material as well. It's great. And then this comes with a cover case, it's like a spongy cover case. Then you have your waterproof one, like I have for the 7. So this is super handy as well. I'll put them out in a second. When you come with this, like the last one, here's a screw battery there, and then all the different filters. So we use the filter before I get around to using them. 3 of those there. all types of wipes in this. If your dry wipes, your wet wipes inside. I think I didn't open it actually. If you went on this side, little pockets there. I think they're for the screen of it. Screen of the 9. There, I think. And then under that, then you have a cloth as well. So that's handy. Super handy. Except for 32 quid. Can't really go too far wrong. Two rows in there. What else do we have here? Then that's a cover for the lens. So that's handy when you're not using it. If I have it on my helmet or whatever, it's handy to cover over that instead of getting dirty and all fingerprints and everything on it then as well. And pull this out. So again, that's the cover there, which is super handy. Okay, so this is the squidgy cover. Feels nice, feels good quality. Then you have another cover for the lens as well. Oh, a little flip door as well. That's really handy. That's really handy. Didn't realise that was in it. Happy days. You have a little string for it. Like I said, it's like a rubber mount, so that would work well. Yeah, that's good. Seems to be waterproof enough too. And then that's the cover then for it. And yeah, it's pretty much like the one I have for the 7. I think the 7 one looks a bit stronger than this one. I'll just put it up here like that. I was using it today, so it's pretty good. But I've noticed the camera gets really hot in there. The GoPro 9 gets really hot in there. But yeah, I'm happy enough with it. Like for 32 quid. And like I said, I tested it today. Hopefully it lasts. Yeah, that goes in there. What else? These things come with it as well. I don't even know what these are for. I read about them before, but I can't remember what they are. But yeah, it's handy little pocket there as well, isn't it? You put all your stuff in there as well, and it zips as well, unlike the GoPro one where it's kind of open like that. So that's super handy. But yeah, just a short little video on those. So I have my accessories now for my GoPro 9. Like I said, the audio, I don't know what the story is. I had to check the video, see if it came out today when I trialed it. But yeah, that's all the stuff with that now. So I'm delighted now with that. Like for 32 quid, you have your back case, squidgy case, your waterproof one. It's waterproof anyway, the camera itself. That's the cover there. And then you have all the wipes and all that as well, and your filters. So yeah, all in all, great deal for 32 quid. And like I said, you have the box with it then as well, which is handy. I'm going to use those. I'm going to take out these filters and I'm going to pop the batteries into here. So I'm going to use them for that. Super handy, look. They all fit in there. So the next thing up for me is going to be getting a dual charger, because I have so many of these. It's hard to just charge one at a time, which I'm doing at the moment. So I'll be looking into that. That's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. They're the accessories. I'll put the link in the description as well. And yeah, happy filmmaking. Thanks very much for watching. Until the next time, Deise Rebel out.